Hey, what's up, Instagram, YouTube, and any other social media that this will appear on? Lance the Dog here, aka Keisha Wolf, aka K Wolf, mostly Lance the Dog, as you see. Um, well, I said I was going to be bringing you all some content that's just more than model kits and Gundam and stuff. I know I'm known as the furry gunpla builder, but you know what? I have other hobbies too. I know I have posted about some of the cars in my real garage and stuff. Um, and well, I have acquired another car for the garage. Thanks to the help of Tiki Bunny Imports, I have acquired me a 1991 Suzuki Cappuccino. Yeah. Yes, this was imported from Japan to the United States. Nice little 3 to 4 month wait. That was cool. It was won in an auction, but I'll go into the details of that in another video. This video is about that it actually made it to its first car meet. So there was a little mini JDM car meetup. JDM, Japanese domestic market, for people wondering what's JDM. It was a JDM meet, and basically it was at our local Japanese market, Mitsuwa. And I was like, you know what? I know I just got the car. It's only been 3 weeks, but let's do it. Let's go. Let's see if I can make it. So, sure enough, I did. And this meet was hosted by Tiki Bunny Imports, way before the fame, and cardealpage.com. So, without further ado, let's basically check out what happened.
Here we go with a quick little overview of the meet so far. So right here is a Daihatsu Atrai that's owned by Tiki Bunny himself from Tiki Bunny Imports. Interesting K-van. And then as we go along the line, next up we have a Honda Acti. I had the hardest time pronouncing that name, to be honest, but this is actually one of the 3 choices I was thinking of for getting a vehicle. Actually, and then here we go with my 91 Suzuki Cappuccino. Basically, the modifications, the wheels, the HID lights, and blitz lowering coilovers, they were all already on the vehicle when I got it. So basically, I've only been able to add a couple tiny little things, and that's it. So definitely stay tuned for more mods on that. Here we have a Toyota Yaris. This is actually the first time I saw one in person. Then we have the Toyota Crown Majesta. That's a big car. First time seeing a Crown in person. Then we have a Mazda Miata. A lot of work was done on that Miata, and a hardtop. First time I'm seeing a hardtop in person on a Miata. Then we have the Toyota Century V12. Basically, Toyota's triad, like a Bentley or Rolls Royce. Then we have the Mitsubishi Topo BJ, if I even said that correctly. Then the Toyota Corolla AE 86 with the Torino badges. They did a good job with that one. I mean, that looks so accurate to the anime. And then quick little just overview of everything. I mean, for a simple meet, it was nice amount of people. Then we had a Datsun 620 King Cab. First time seeing one of those in person too. Then I'm not sure about that Lexus, but it was pretty clean. And then we have the Nissan Versa Note with Nismo modifications. I'm not sure if it came like that or if they added the modifications. Not sure. And we got a Honda Civic with a lot of work done. Then we have a Nissan Figaro. First time seeing that in person. Actually, first time even hearing what a Figaro is. Yeah, that has such a classy look. Then there's the Nissan Pale. I've tried so much to try to figure out how to pronounce that. Hey, if I'm pronouncing it right, let me know in the comments, because I'm not sure. So yeah, that's what we have.
So yeah, that basically wraps it up for that meet. It was a small meet. It was last minute. Didn't get a lot of time for advertisement, but for the small amount of time for advertisement and last minute, I think it was a good turnout. Everybody had fun. We all talked. We exchanged information. Got to meet some really great people. And of course, got a chance to get inside Mitsuwa and get some great cuisine. Because whenever I'm in Mitsuwa, I gotta definitely grab the food. Sorry, I love the food. So, if y'all enjoyed this, stay tuned to the next time I throw a video up of one of the meats and stuff. Or I would definitely be throwing up videos of future modifications and stuff to the cappuccino. So stay tuned to basically watch the adventure of this car evolve and unfold. So, alright, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the like button, and I will see you next time.